Feeling stuck, bloated, or frustrated because nothing seems to move in the bathroom? What if I told you there's a simple, natural way to get your gut moving again in just a few days? No laxatives, no harsh tricks, just gentle doctor-backed habits. These steps can soften your stool, boost regularity, and leave you feeling lighter and more comfortable, faster than you ever thought possible. Hi, I'm Dr. Mamona, helping you feel better, live better, and stay well. Let's dive in. Constipation happens when stool moves too slowly through your colon, becoming hard, dry, and difficult to pass. Low fiber, not enough fluids, lack of movement, stress, or diet changes are common culprits. Research shows simple changes make a big difference. Increasing fiber, especially soluble types, softens stool and boosts frequency. Proper hydration lets fiber expand effectively. Light activity stimulates peristalsis, the waves that push everything along. No magic pills are needed, just consistent, gentle support for your body's natural rhythm. Fiber is your #1 natural ally for constipation relief. It adds bulk, holds water to keep stool soft, and gently stimulates the gut. Meta-analyses confirm that 25 to 35 grams daily from food increases bowel movements and improves consistency, with soluble fibers like psyllium or oats often giving the fastest results. Easy, gentle hacks. 1. Increase slowly. Add 5 grams per day to let your gut adjust. 2. Focus on winning foods. Fruits with skin, apples, pears, berries, raspberries 8 grams per cup. Veggies, broccoli, carrots, Brussels sprouts, whole grains, oatmeal, bran, quinoa, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, start small, seeds, 2 tablespoons ground flax or chia in smoothies or yogurt. 3. Constipation superstars. Prunes, 4 to 6 daily, natural laxative plus fiber, or 2 kiwis per day. 4. If food isn't enough yet, try psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon, 5 grams in water. Build up gradually. Always pair fiber with extra water. Fiber without fluids can worsen constipation. Water is non-negotiable. It softens stool, helps fiber work, and prevents the colon from pulling moisture out. Studies show higher fluid intake improves stool consistency and reduces constipation, especially with fiber. Aim for 8 to 10 cups, 2 to 2.5 liters daily. Plain water, herbal teas, infused water, lemon or cucumber. Include water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, or soups. Pro tips: sip steadily throughout the day. Start mornings with warm water to stimulate gentle movement. Drink a full glass with every fiber-rich meal. Hot herbal tea in the evening can also help relax things overnight. Your body loves movement. Even light activity stimulates peristalsis, shortens transit time, and relieves constipation. Studies show aerobic exercise, like walking, improves stool frequency, consistency, and gut symptoms, often better than no activity. Easy options. 1. Walk 20 to 30 minutes most days. This boosts motility and lowers long-term constipation risk. 2. Simple yoga or stretches. Child's pose, cat-cow, wind-relieving pose. 3. Post-meal strolls of 10 minutes help move contents along and prevent buildup. Start easy. Consistency beats intensity every time. Tie it all together in a simple daily routine. Morning, warm water or lemon plus high-fiber breakfast, oats with berries and flax. Throughout the day, drink water steadily, with meals in between. Meals and snacks. Add fiber-rich foods such as apple, prunes, or lentils. Movement, 20 to 30-minute walk or gentle stretches, ideally after eating. Track stool softness and frequency over 7 to 14 days. Most people feel gradual relief. If no change occurs or symptoms worsen, see your doctor. Small, consistent habits make the biggest difference. Start gently, stay consistent, and pay attention to how your body responds. With the right approach, you can feel lighter, more comfortable, and confident again.
Thank you for watching. For more clinical insights into your wellness, subscribe to the channel. My verified credentials are listed in the description. Stay healthy.